Hello guys, welcome to another brand new video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we will trade the Australian dollar versus US dollar. You can learn a lot from this trade, so watch the full video. Guys, in this video I will talk about technical analysis as well as trendline breakout strategy. Maybe you can learn something good from this. See you guys later. Guys, currently our profit is around $500, which increases our expectations from this trade. We have $4,762 in our account, which needs to be grown with proper risk management and right strategy. Here the market was running in a strong downtrend for some time, but now the market is changing its direction. Due to this, we also got the opportunity for buying trade. We can perform well in this trade because there are high chances that the market will move in our direction. Now I am taking the trend line here. The market has been following this trend line for a long time, where we will see perfect lower high points, which is working as resistance. All these points will be connected well with the trend line. Here we will take another trend line which we will connect at the lower low points, which is acting as a kind of support. These two trend lines create a strong downtrend channel which is followed very well by the market. All downtrend patterns are crafted inside this trend channel. The market has given a strong breakout on this trend line. After this breakout, the market is moving upwards very fast, due to which we are getting good buying signals. Now we will create a strong reversal level, from where we can get more buying signals. At this level the market has created multiple reversal points as the market has reversed repeatedly at the same level. This level is most important for us. Here you can clearly see that the market first took support inside the channel and later broke this level below and created a resistance point, due to which a support become resistance pattern has been created here, but the market has now given a trendline breakout, due to which the chances of the market going up increase significantly. Here our entry has happened at the right time. With this we can achieve a good move. Now I will place stop loss and target point here. Here my stop loss will be 9 pip below strong reversal level. If this is a fake breakout, then our setup will fail, but the chances of this setup failing are very less. You will know this later in the video. And the target point will be 18 pip new higher high. The market can also go above our target level because the market has given a strong trend line breakout. Guys, here our profit has increased and has reached around $800. If we hold this trade properly, then we can generate good profit. I quickly place stop loss and profit target. Guys, you will be able to see the stop loss and profit target clearly. This is our exit point. I would like to tell you that whenever the market breaks out of a trend line, always see whether the market has broken a strong reversal level along with the trend line or not. If you see a breakout of a strong reversal level, then the chances of the market moving up increase by 80 to 90%. With this trick you can avoid fake trend line breakouts. If you are learning something from this video, then please like it. See you guys later.
Inside of me, you better watch out if your enemy's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me and he gets caught.
Excellent move, guys. We got a bigger move than we thought. We created a strong reversal level at which the market again took support at the same level and gave us a very good move. The market has moved upwards here, creating a proper uptrend pattern and is still moving up. This shows that our analysis was absolutely correct and the market has respected our analysis. Now I will create the next strong level and tell you so that you will get an idea from which levels the market reverses again and again. The market has been following this level for a long time. Here you will see multiple support resistance points, which have reversed from the same level. These are all strong reversal points. Now here the market has broken this level upwards, which increases the possibility of the market going up further. In the same way we estimate any move, which sometimes turns out to be correct and sometimes wrong, but in the end it is profitable. Now we close the trade. Guys, our current profit is $7,300. We had $4,762 in our account, which has become $12,320 after profit. We have generated this profit only from trendline breakout. If you have knowledge of the right strategy, then you can become a profitable trader in any market. If you have learned something from this video, then please like and share the video. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.
this.